Hi folks, Luca at SharperTrades. Big day yesterday, a consolidation today with the number volume increase on the SPY. It's holding the ATMA, so that's the primary support. Secondary support is 466. Any break below that, you're going to see a pullback, which will retest 460 and 454, somewhere near the 50 SMA. The current setup is a consolidation. I'm not too convinced this one wants to go higher. We'll see. To go higher, it will need to break 480. And a quick look at the IWM also. IWM is below the ATMA, looks weak with the OBV below the moving average, low volume. I wrote a post in the Dark Option Flow blog, check it out, how these two are moving kind of in opposite directions. So there is a divergence going on. And so this could be the beginning of a pullback across the indices. So let's see if that's the case. With the IWM, to turn around, it will need to come back above the ATMA and then 200. Next targets will be 209. Current support here is 192 and 188. Meta spotted dark pool activity today, 1.6 million at 358. It's the resistance. If it breaks through this high, 362, that will trigger a buy. On the other hand, if it breaks below 350 and fail to recover, that will trigger a sell. As a buy, the targets are 371, 382, and 392. On the sell side, if it breaks below 350 and does a recover, we're looking at 341, 331, and 321. Welcome to the world of smart trading with Dark Option Flow, the ultimate tool for traders seeking an edge in the market. What if you could see the market through the eyes of insiders, track the moves of big players, and follow the clues of Wall Street top analysts? That's exactly what Dark Option Flow offers you. Uncover the power of unusual option activity. Watch as real-time alerts reveal hidden moves in the market, providing you with an unparalleled advantage. Whether you are a swing trader, an intraday trader, or a long-term investor, Dark Option Flow is your trusted companion. Check out Dark Pool Prints. Peek beyond the curtains where institutions and billionaires make their moves away from the public eye using Dark Pool exchanges. Get insights that go beyond the ordinary, guiding you towards strategic decisions. Meet Analyst Algo, our sophisticated AI-driven system. It filters out the noise, bringing you the most profitable insights from Wall Street top analysts. Imagine having a powerful ally to enhance your trading strategy. Track the footsteps of investment gurus like Warren Buffett. Dark Option Flow categorizes and analyzes the portfolios of over 400 funds and investors with the best track record. Stay in the loop and trade with confidence. Dark Option Flow, the key to unlocking the smart side of trading. Join now and gain the edge you've been searching for. Your journey to smart trading starts here. See you inside.